Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Real Rush. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a mobile app that combines short-form video entertainment with opportunities to earn rewards. It is developed by Mobile Link Tech, and it offers a user platform to watch diverse, curated videos while accumulating points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. So let's go over the pros and cons. So the pros of it is that it has a user-friendly interface and a relatively simple navigation. It has diverse content and offers a wide range of video categories to cater to various interests. It has earning potential, and users can earn rewards by engaging with content, providing an incentive for regular use. And it also has global exploration features from around the world, allowing users to experience different cultures. Now let's go over to the cons of it. The cons of it is that it has an earning limitation. While its initial earnings might be attainable, accumulating significant rewards can be time-consuming. So this cannot replace your job. You cannot earn a lot, but you can earn some. And it also has content repetition, and it has privacy concerns, as with many apps. Users should be aware of data collection practices. So Real Rush is an engaging platform for short video enthusiasts, combining entertainment with added benefit of earning rewards. While it provides user-friendly experience, diverse content, users seeking substantial earnings might find the process gradual. So, as I said, this will not replace your income. You can earn a bit from this, but not a lot. So please do not fall into the download this app thinking that it can earn you a lot of money. And that is it. That is my review on Real Rush. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.